Reacting to the questions raised from some quarters about the move of the Meghalaya government to withdraw forces from the disputed border, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said it is a misconception. He said that as Assam is withdrawing the police from their side, Meghalaya will also show confidence and reciprocate the same. Neutral forces will be brought in withdrawn areas. It may be mentioned that the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sharma had met on Saturday as part of the second phase of border talks and decided to withdraw state police forces from the disputed areas and employ neutral forces like the Central Reserve Police Force.
Assam is withdrawing the police from their side, and they will be bringing in neutral forces in those locations. There are certain concerns and areas which Assam has mentioned, that if Assam is moving one step on one side, then they have requested that if Meghalaya also can adjust accordingly, so that there is a reciprocation from our side. So it's not that we are moving backwards, but since Assam has offered and said that they will bring neutral forces there, it's another gesture from our side to ensure that both sides are able to bring in neutrality. Another very important thing is that in the next few days you will see, which was discussed in the meeting, that there are some particular BOPs which were constructed very much within the borders of even the non-disputed zones of Meghalaya state, and Assam has given commitment that those will be withdrawn also.
The Central